Hi, welcome back to Creative Mesa. Today we are going to make 3 different types of prasad for Ganesh Chaturthi. Let's get started. First is the classic Sundal. I have soaked the white Chana dal the previous night and cook it for 3 whistles. Very simple tempering. Add coconut oil and the ingredients one by one as shown here. As coconut contain moisture, roast it on high flame for 5 minutes or else it will become watery after some time. Add salt only if it's required. That's all, Sundal ready. Second recipe, Vada, Medhu Vada or uzhundu Vada. Here I have taken 4 cups of urad dal. I washed it once and soaked it with double the amount of water. Let's grind it into paste in the mixie jar. I will share a secret tip to get the most spongiest and the crispiest vada. Take a basin just like this. Don't add the water. Just grind a 24% of urad dal first. Pulse it 5 to 6 times and then on level 1 let it grind for 5 to 6 minutes. Scrape the sides and stir it nicely and then again grind it on level 1 for 5 minutes. This time you will see that the color changes to white color. Transfer it to the bowl. Now repeat the same process and grind the whole urad dal. 1.5 inch ginger chopped, 10 green chilies, 35 shallots, salt as required, 40 peppercorns, a handful of curry leaves. Crush the peppercorns and ginger, massage all the ingredients, add the required salt and then add to the batter. Mix it thoroughly. The secret tip is to beat the batter. That is, you have to aerate the batter so that it becomes spongy and crispy. Add salt only if required. Start frying it immediately. I was busy with few things, so it got delayed, and water from the onions made the consistency thinner. So the trick is to add 5 to 6 tablespoons of rice powder to get the correct consistency. Let's try vada. Use the water from the soaked urad dal, dip your finger and drop it in the hot oil as shown here. When it's crisp golden brown, transfer it to paper towel. Your Methu Vada is ready. Third recipe, Kozhukattai or Modak. Take 2.5 cup of jaggery, crush it, add grated coconut and mix well as shown here. One cup of rice flour, sieve it well. In the same cup, measure 2 cups of water. Let it boil. Add salt and oil as shown here. Cook it and stir it continuously without any lumps. Transfer it to a plate. After it cools down, knead it for 5 minutes. If you like peanuts, you can add 5 to 6 tablespoons of crushed peanuts to this. It will enhance the flavor. Using a Modak mold is the best method, but here I have done it with my bare hands, so it was not that perfect, but it was good. I have used rice cooker to steam my modak. You can use idli cooker also. Just 5 minutes will be enough. Your modak will be ready.